So, right, okay. So, welcome you to the channel. I hope you are doing great. So, in this video, we are going to see how to uh, download or upload the files into the AWS S3 with the pre-signed URL by using Spring Boot. Okay. So, let me explain the things how the file or any PDF, any file we want to store into the AWS bucket, S3 bucket. So the scenario is like there will be a client. Client will send a request to the server to download or to upload the files, okay, into the S3 bucket. Then in response, the S3, the server will return a URL with an limited time access. Suppose and then after that, client will use that URL to upload or download the files from from or into S3 bucket. Okay, so this is the things that we need to that the simple things we have. So after that, I'm going to open my IntelliJ here. Here is the things that I have generated Maven applications from Spring Initializer. You can go with that. So for the Spring version, I'm going with 3.1.0. Okay, and Java version is 17. So you can go with your preference one. After that, let me go to my AWS account too. AWS. So I'm hoping that you already have an account in AWS, and there just go to the service, just log in there and create a bucket. Okay, there is some. Okay, so this is my S3 account in this region, app Northeast one. Okay. Click on service and then I think the console already here. Just go to the S3. Maybe I have already created a S3 bucket. Let me check. Okay, I have a S3 bucket in the name of pre-signed URL S3. Okay, so I'm going to upload and delete files from this bucket. So let's open my IntelliJ again. Go to form XML. Okay, to have an interaction or to interaction into your with your AWS account, you need to add one dependency in your application YAML file, that is AWS, then Java, then S3, SDK S3, that is Amazon. Okay, after that, just reload this project as Maven. Then while it's reloading, let me go to the YAML file. There are some configuration that we have to add on, such as server port. I want my application to run on 8080. By default, it run on 8080. So you can define it here or not, or either another port you maybe want. That's up to you. Okay. Now there are some credentials of AWS you need to add here on properties. Okay. Access key. Okay, for the security purpose, I'm not going to show you what is my access key and secret key. Okay, you have to find it from your account. I mean, take it from your current, then define it here. And region, my
My
region
region.
is F dot northeast and one. After that, S3, let's say bucket. What was my bucket name? It was Presigned S3. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add this property later in a first. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have added your own access key and secret key. Now, okay, now create a config class here to set the config client with S3. I mean AWS 3. Okay, for that I want this class
Class.
into config
Okay.
package AWS S3 config. After that, take the whatever the things I want: private, string, access key, access key. After that, let's say string secret key. After that, then private, string region that I want here in this class region. Okay. Take the value from the property with the value annotations. I mean from the YAML file application YAML file. Okay. After that, AWS then access, sorry, my bad here, access key, this copy out this one. Is
It's
going
going
to
to
be
be
secret
secret.
key, secret key, and then last but not the least is going to be region. After that, just configure the AWS client, AWS Amazon S3, get S3 client, then keep it final. Amazon, sorry, AWS credential. It must be okay. Then credential, then new basic AWS credential. So in this parenthesis, just pass the access key and secret key. Access key and one more, that is secret key. Okay. After that, return uh, Amazon Amazon S3 client builder, then standard. After that, with credential inside this new AWS static credential provider. So inside these provider credentials that we have defined earlier. Okay. After that, with region, I want this region, then simply build. Okay, so make sure one thing that you have annotated this method with G. And since this class containing a bean method, it should be annotated with configurations. Okay, So I'm done with this config file. After that, just create a service class. Let's say I want this class inside my service package, file service. That would be appropriate name, I guess, for the demo purpose. Okay. Okay. Annotate this class with service, since it is my service class. Then take the bucket name from the YAML file, string bucket name, and then take the value from the with the help of value annotations. It was AWS, then S3, then bucket. Okay, and I don't think so. And one more thing that needed: private Amazon S3. Let's say S3. Annotate this one with right. That's it, and then now it's time to create the service logic here. String. Okay, so we are returning a string. I mean a URL which is going to be string. Okay, that's why I'm type it string. Then generate URL. Okay, so inside this file, I'm going to pass file name or file path, whatever you can say. Name. Then string, then HTTP method, then okay, HTTP. Okay. Now, since as you know that generate URL are going to take a expiry time, so for that we are going to take some uh, expiry time. I mean, set to some time. Then that time will pass into the generate fields and URL. So for now, take the. I'm going to use calendar. Calendar. Then new. Sorry. Calendar. Take the instance. Then set the time. Set time. Take new date. Okay. After that, then I want, okay, it take the time. Then I want my URL for 1 minute to be accessible. I mean to be valid. After 1 minute, it going to invalid. Add to the calendar. 1 minute. You can use second also. After that, return S3. Okay, I'm going to use URL, then URL, and Amazon, sorry, S3 dot generate Presigned URL. Okay, click on it, pass the bucket name, then pass the file name, then pass the time, expiry time, uh, that is L. You get the time from here. at the time. After that, HTTP method that we are going to pass from um, controller class. Okay. Okay. After that, just return URL to string, converted to string. Okay. So I'm
I'm
done
done.
with the service class also. So from then go to the file controller class. I mean create a controller class, file controller. Okay. I want this one inside controller package. Controller package. Okay. File controller. And take this
This
one
one.
with the rest controller. After that, auto add the service on private file service, file service, service, and auto add. Okay. 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 First,
First,
I will
I'll
create post method. With the help of that, I'm going to upload the file into the S3 bucket with Presigned URL. Okay. Let's call it post method. I mean post
mapping.
mapping inside that. Let's say download, give it as URL, public response entity string file upload URL. Then I'm going to pass request form here, string, then the extension or a file name you can also say. So I'm going to use extension of the file or something else. Okay, let's call it extension. Then return just simply response entity. Okay, file service, sorry, only for service, service, take get the generate URL. Inside this, suppose
I
I want my file to save with a random number. Okay, for that I'm going to use UID. So you can name your you can name your own name here. I mean, you can define your own name here. Okay. For now, I'm using random UID. After that, what you have to do? Suppose I want to download PDF or I want to JPG with that file extension. Okay, as an extension. So for that, I'm using extension. Suppose after that. And one more thing, that is HTTP method that we are going to pass from the URL from the API, right? HTTP method for uploading the files into S3. You need to set for us the method port method. Okay. Then I am done. File name expect to our rule bar found 1. Okay. I have some misguided content here. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So this is the method for to download to upload the file into S3 bucket. After that, I'm going to use get mapping. With the help of that, we are going to download the file from S3. Download URL. See, spelling mistake. Then public response entity. It is also going to be string file download URL. Okay, let me simply not to write, copy this one here, make it get mapping. After that, oh sorry, it should be upload URL and the download URL. Okay, file name, then download URL and change the name from here. And this file name, this is going to be file name that we want to download from the S3 bucket file name. And the method we got to pass from here is the get method. Code. That's it. This is the all the code that we have required for now. Okay. Let me run this project. After that, we will see whether I'm able to download or upload the files into the S3 bucket or not. So I'm going to upload this file. Okay. So currently it is the S3. It's going to take a minute to build. So here my application is running up and running on 884. So let me open my Postman. Let's change the method type as post here. After that, restore local change things. Okay, then upload URL. Okay, and go to controller again. So it's going to take a extension. Okay, as a param extension. Since I'm going to upload this file, so it is a JPG file, so I'm passing here JPG. Then download post not found HTTPS. What's going on? Invalid character found the method name. Okay, where in the in method name there's some issue. Okay, where is the problem? Okay, problem is in the URL. Okay, I name it wrongly. That's why I had a one error. Now
Oh,
let me restart this application. Then see whether it work or not. See, the application is running now. Let me hit this URL again. So here it is. So this is the
sure.
link that I got in return in response. I'm going to upload the S3. So the
The map.
method that I pass during generation of the URL, it was fourth. So I'm making it fourth. After that, then go to body, and then select binary. Select the file that you want to upload. Suppose desktop. I want to upload that picture. Okay, now then hit the URL. So I got the response 200. Okay, okay. Let me check my S3 bucket. Just reload. Uh, Click on the bucket. Is there an object? Still, there is no object. Okay, then it loaded. After that, click on URL again. Okay, so here is the file that I have uploaded with the free signed URL. Okay, now
Now
I
I
want to
want.
download this file. So just copy the name of this file, then go to Postman again. Okay, I want to do it with the earlier. Okay, change the method as get. Then what is the name? ATT uh, download URL. Download URL. Then go to the application again. So request param uh, file name, then just falsify it. After that, click the button not found. Okay, maybe did any mistake. Download your just copy the URL here. Sorry. Okay, now hit the send again. So I got this URL which is valid only go to 1 minute. Okay, here it is. So with this URL I can download the file and how to so this is how we can download from the from S3. Okay, from S3 with the help of using Spring Boot. So this value if I hit 1 minute after, still I
I
can
can.
see that I can okay, just wait a minute after 1 minute whether I can see this URL or any error. Let me, I think 1 minute is over. Still okay. Maybe that will catch on. Okay, I
I
can
can.
see the picture with this URL. After that, just wait for a while. We'll see. Okay, wait. Okay. Uh, so this is how we can download the things from S3 bucket with the help of recent URL and see. So hope you have this video will help you. Now the last thing that I want to see. Okay, the URL now invalid. Request has expired. Okay, the expired time was 59 seconds. So this is it. This is what I want to show you how to download or upload the file into S3 bucket with the help of Presigned URL. Okay, I hope you like this video, and for more such video, just subscribe my YouTube channel. And for the source code, I will give the GitHub link. You can download from there. Okay, bye bye, Tata.